25 billion apps have been downloaded from Apple's App Store. That's about 3 apps for every person on Earth. Apple's paid developers more than $4 million, and the person who downloaded the 25th billion app is supposed to win a $10,000 Apple Store gift card. A Chinese electronics retailer is appealing a court ruling to stop iPad sales as Apple fights to prevent local authorities from banning the tablet over a trademark dispute. Chinese vendor ProView bought ownership of the iPad trademark in 2001. Boeing's 787 Dreamliner landed in Boston and kicked off the U.S. leg of its world tour. It can hold enough fuel to fly 20 hours and has upgrades like higher ceilings and larger windows that can be dimmed electronically. Pilots have a heads-up display. NASA plans to auction off a number of software patents later this month. Originally made for satellite control, the patents have potential applications in robotics, cybersecurity, and other areas. Organizers said it helps promote the use of NASA technology and creates greater ROI for taxpayers.